come to practice it yourself. Today we're going to be making nail polish remover, or also known as what, dissolver. Now, our first chemical here will be methanol, then the acetone, then the I.p.A, which is also known as isopropyl alcohol. The first thing we're just going to be doing is to turn in our methanol. Turn in our methanol. Then we are going to be adding our isopropyl alcohol. So you stir together. They are all liquid and transparent in nature, and they look shield, not harmful to the skin, but do not taste. Acetone to it, or acetone to it. The chemical for the methanol was half a liter. Then the acetone and the I.p.A, they are 1/16. 1/16, not even up to a quarter of a liter. After stirring for a while, you can now package and sell. You can decide to start selling to those salons, those making nails. For your packaging material, you can get that. You can locate a place where they sell chemical in your location. You can get packaging materials from there. You just turn in and package. Okay.